It's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do want to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the best fruit juice. So guys, let's get started. I will be using tangerines, oranges, grapefruit, a knife, funnel, sieve, bowl, pitcher, frozen pomegranate, and lastly lemon cubes. I will link these in the description box below. Please do well to check out the video. So guys, let's get started. I will pour into the blender and blend. Starting off with this big sieve while I finish up with the smaller one so as to remove the tiny particles that will be left afterwards. At this point, I will throw in the lemon cubes so as to dissolve. Finally, fresh homemade juice is ready. At this point, I will pop into the fridge and allow to chill. Thereafter, I'll consume within 24 hours. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.